good people? Another video, another lady. This one I got it many years ago, and I fixed it. I had a little problems here and there. I will put the link here from that video. Okay, somewhere here, I hope. It doesn't run properly. It's difficult to start it. Has a few other little things. So let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, first thing I see, voila, I see already something. So as you can see, this one is full with, I don't know, dirtiness, aluminum and something black. I don't know what it is. So yeah, let's change this one, because this one I cannot clean it. As far as I know, I will try to clean it, but I don't think I can clean it. Clean those, change this line here, check the inside of the gas tank. Okay, and then take him from there. Yeah. So definitely this one is clogged. Okay, so no gasoline is going in. Wait a minute. Let's see. You see? Nothing is happening. It should come from here like pshoo. So let's clean it up. Clean. Nice. Let's check the other one. Nice. Let's see. They are now both open. So are both both carburetors. The jet from the stationary jet was close. Was really close. So how to fix it? I have this one. There is a hard metal. This is from a clutch cable or something like that. Okay, it's pretty thin. Let's see if I can make that it really. You can see it, okay? It's a 0.4 millimeters, okay, of thickness. So yeah, you need to go into the hole, and then once it goes in, and then bam, it's open. So now everything is connected. It's leaking through here. I don't have this clip, okay? I don't have any more. Tomorrow are coming more. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go to the next problem. The owner says that the gearbox, there is something wrong with it, and I don't know. I think that the problem is the clutch, because if I feel it, I don't feel this of Norton. When you pull the clutch of a Norton, always goes like clock, you know, like has like a bump. I don't know how to explain it. If you own a Norton, leave it down in the comments, okay? What I mean, okay? And if you feel it too, it's like this, and then clap, it goes. There is this step. So I don't feel it. I think that must be readjusted. Maybe it has been some wear down, and that's why now it doesn't look like it works like it should. So let's do that first. And next thing after this is gonna be the teller, the kilometer teller or the speedometer is not working properly. It looks like maybe it's the cable, maybe it's the speedo. I don't know. So let's see. So I was looking at this one and I saw immediately this and I'm like, wait a minute. Let's try to show it. Thick. I don't know. Doesn't look right. Maybe it's there, but I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, a cable is here. Okay, so why this one is like empty? Oh, of course, I get it now. Has no driver. Oh my god! Wait a minute. Now I get it. There you go. Yeah, we are missing something here. Okay. My fault. I thought it was connected already, but it wasn't. So now it's connected. So that's good. Now I need to take the rear wheel, and yeah, I need to change the driver. I think is the name, the driver. I don't know. I will correct it somewhere if I'm mistaken. So yeah. So yeah, let's take it out, check the ratio, and then order a new one, and then I will be done with her. So that's nice. Okay, yeah, beautiful. It was beautiful. It was nice, and she's so fast. She's still the fastest Norton I ever tried. It's like you open the gas and it's like it takes it slowly, like then it goes like wah! Yeah, it's really, wow. I fucking love it. Yeah. So there we goes, another problem found out. Okay, so this is 1/2 of the cable, gas cable, speedo cable, and here is the other half. Let's see if I can take it out because this one is pretty stuck. Yeah, it's pretty stuck. So yeah, there you go. See, so this should be one. Okay, let's order it. That was the problem. I just got, a smash and it broke the cable. Voila. So, voila, good to go. Okay. Now the next thing is I'm gonna talk with the owner because he has difficulties to start it, and by kicking. So the thing now, what's going to be is that I'm going to make this system for a starter with a starter. So yeah. For the moment, my job is done, but she will be back. Yeah, this winter for sure. And then hopefully for the time I'm going to have everything ready, and then I can show you guys. So voila. And thanks for watching. I know that the videos now they take about 2 weeks kind of, and it's really, there is no pattern. It's not like fixed day, like every Saturday, because right now I have a lot of projects, but I want to show the begin and end project, and to do that it takes more time. Okay, so that's the reason why now the videos are going a little bit slower. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Let me know, and see you in the next one. Ciao ciao. Oh yeah, and remember, if you like to help the channel, you can do so by buy me a coffee somewhere here. And again, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ciao ciao.